Welcome to Introduction to Google Classroom. My name is Vicki Hall. I'm an EdTech coach for the Windsor School District. In this lesson, you will learn how to invite students to your classroom. In previous lessons, we learned about 3 different tabs: the stream, the students, and about. On the left side of the window, you'll notice a section called Class Code, where there will be a combination of letters and possibly numbers. You can reset this code until you find a code that is memorable or easy to input for your students. When students log into Google for the first time, they will see the Welcome window. Notice the plus sign in the top right-hand corner. When students click on the plus sign to join a class, they input the code for that particular class and then click the Join button. Once the code's been entered successfully, students are taken to that particular classroom. Students who have access to email can be invited to join a class by going to the Students tab in the Teacher window. You can also invite student and teacher collaborators using their school email address. We have a global list. You can use contacts, or you can simply type in their school email address to invite them to join. Student and teacher collaborators will then receive an email inviting them to the class, and they can click on a link. Your class list might look similar to this, though I have crossed out the names for student privacy purposes. If you notice, students in elementary and secondary will have the little envelope for emailing purposes, but our elementary students in our district don't have that capability, so I just ignore it. But if your students do have email, you can click the envelope and send personalized email messages to them. Students have been enrolled in your class, and now it's time to set permissions. As you can see on the Student tab, there's a pull-down menu. There are 3 choices. Students can post a comment, students can only comment, only a teacher can post or comment. I like to give my students the ability to post and comment for several reasons. First of all, it makes them feel more a part of the site. I'm not just disseminating information, they're actually making contributions. They can answer each other's questions, they can ask questions of me, or they can post relevant links and videos to information we're studying in class. My older students have used the comment section of the website as a discussion board. We've been able to practice some amazing digital citizenship in this area and give them practice commenting and replying to classmates in a positive educational atmosphere. And finally, in the Student tab is the Actions button. You can select all students at one time, or you can select individual students if you like. Pull down the Action menu and you can remove students from a class. For example, they've moved or switched to a different section. You can email a single student or an entire class at once, or you can mute students from commenting for whatever reason. Now that you have student or teacher collaborators added to your site, you can begin adding announcements and assignments to your Google Classroom.